Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to block a person on Messenger. So if that is something you are interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So firstly, of course, you're going to need to launch Messenger, and once that is done, you then need to click on your profile, which is in the top left hand corner of the screen. So once you're on your profile, you then need to click on privacy, which is right below mobile number. And at this point, you then need to select blocked accounts. So now you'd simply need to click on add, which is in the top right hand corner of the screen. And after clicking on add, you then need to search for the person that you want to add. So for example, I'm simply going to be using the person at the top. So you then need to click on the person. So once you click on them, you see you have two options here. You then need to click on block messages and call, and then block and done. And that's pretty much how you'd go about blocking a person on Messenger. So you also have the option to block them on Facebook as well. And once you block them, you won't be able to receive any calls or messages from that person. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. If you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.